as the gunner, the majority of things we target is past the human line of sight anyway. So the majority of things we're going to target are going to be through our sight systems, right?
So a question I always wonder, right, is where's the trigger? How are you firing these weapons from up here?
Absolutely. So if you put your hand on the grips in front of you and you feel behind it, there's flaps on the back. If you lift those flaps, you can feel the trigger. There they are. On the right side is our laser that we can use to range and designate targets. And on the left side is the... Okay. And then attached to our helmet is our helmet display unit. I'll go ahead and put it on for you now. And as we roll this in front of our eyeball, that is what we use to connect the gun to our helmet. So now, wherever you would look, the gun is gonna follow your eyeball. Wherever the crosshairs in the middle of that helmet display unit is on,
This is the AH-64 Apache, the most powerful attack helicopter the U.S. Army has ever flown. One of the most lethal helicopters on the battlefield today.
So with visibility, the back seat is more primarily designed to fly the helicopter. So because he sits higher, he has a better